Hi there, I'm Patrick from Mersun and I'm very happy that you have installed our app. Let me give you a short introduction on how to get started with our Microsoft Teams integration for Jira. Here you go. With our integration we optimize single issues with Microsoft Teams feature and extend Teams with Jira functionalities. So within an issue you can easily start a chat with your colleagues or start a discussion with the team in a Microsoft Teams channel. And as you can see, the whole conversation is clearly documented, so no information gets lost. Let us take a look at the Microsoft Teams site. With our integration you can easily create Jira issues based on a Microsoft Teams conversation. And since all configurations are taken over from Jira, no additional setup is required and all relevant fields are available. Of course, we offer the possibility to link conversations to existing Jira issues. In addition, you can easily search, share and discuss Jira issues in a chat or channel in Microsoft Teams in just a few clicks. With our integration it is also possible to show Jira boards as tabs in Microsoft Teams channels. Furthermore, you have the option to share it with non-Jira users as well. In case you are using Jira Service Management, your customers are able to raise support requests in Teams via your customer support portal. Also here we take over all the configuration you made in Jira. In addition, your customers can see all of their support requests in a tab directly in Teams. So, go ahead and start working with Microsoft Teams and Jira fully integrated. If you have any questions or a certain use case in mind, don't hesitate to contact us.